T20 Cricket World Cup 2026.
Dr. Talat says, under southern skies, the lights begin to glow. Crowds are rising high.